Hello and welcome back to The Broken Doll. I just want to show this girl done. There she is from head to toe. Isn't she looking just wonderful? Now I try to paint her lips, but I can't get the paint to sit on there properly. So I'm just going to have to leave her the way she is. I don't know what to do to get those lips, get that extra paint off that's from the manufacturer. I tried taking it off with many different things and it's just staying. So what I have to do is just let her be the way she is, but she's still a pretty doll all the same, regardless of her lips not being painted. Someone's going to enjoy her. I've got a little wrist tag on her here, and there she is right there. There's her wrist tag, and I put some information on there. I put down reliable, made in Canada, hold my hands and I will walk, please give me a name. So she has a nice little wrist tag on there. So I dressed her in this nice little dress. She has a pair of panties on, and she has some shoes, and she's ready to walk into somebody's arms. There we go. So that's all she needs. It's just somebody to win her at the auction, and she's ready to go. And if there's somebody out there a little bit more gifted than me with the lips and wants to repaint them, they can. I give them all the ability to do it. But anyways, I think she still shows very nice though. Well, thank you for joining me. I hope you want I just wanted to show this to you. I think she looks really nice. You know, she's a pretty doll, and her hair just did wonders. So anyways, thank you for joining me. I got and also a little bow. So tell me what you think. I think she turned out pretty good. So thank you for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see here, and give a comment would be nice. And we'll be talking to you again really soon. Bye-bye.